I woke up to the rain on the porch, boots by the door, coffee gone cold, name on the table, old photographs, hands that held steady through the hard roads. Too much noise in the wild, too much fear, too many voices pulling us thin, but I can still hear the pulse under pain, a heartbeat saying, come back in. Let the breath go down, let the shoulders drop. There's a light in the dark, but the dark can't stop. Love over division, love over fear, love over division, bring the whole heart here. Signal through the static, clear as a bell. We were made for each other, we can heal ourselves. I see the child in the back of my eyes, mud on his knees, wonder alive, still reaching for truth with open hands, still asking who we are inside. Not everyone can be spoken away, some of them live in the bones and the breath. So I stand in the room and I let it move, I let it loose in the grip of death. Let the breath go down, let the shoulders drop. There's a light in the dark that the dark can't stop. Love over division, love over fear, love over division, bring the whole heart here. Signal through the static, clear as a bell. We were made for each other, we can heal ourselves. Maybe freedom is softer than pride, maybe strength is a hand on your back, maybe the future begins when we stop calling each other what we lack. Love over division, love over fear, love over division, bring the whole heart here. Signal through the static, clear as a bell. We were made for each other, we can hear